Hundreds of thousands of people get sick every year from poultry contaminated with salmonella. Now, federal health officials are announcing new plans to try and reduce the number of illnesses associated with the bacteria. The U.S. Department of Agriculture says it will be testing strategies to help prevent the bacteria from getting into the supply chain. They plan on working with stakeholders, the industry, public health officials, and consumer advocacy groups. A widespread salmonella outbreak from chicken in 2013 made a family sick, including their toddler son, but it took a turn for the worse for him. Doctors found a large brain abscess that needed emergency surgery. Tests showed an antibiotic-resistant salmonella strain was the cause. The boy is now 9 and living with the brain injury.
He has a learning disability, a procedural learning deficit to where he has a hard time transferring things to long-term memory and then retrieving them, which also kind of has to do with the speech because he has a word recall difficulty, which causes a severe stutter.
Symptoms of salmonella include diarrhea, fever, and stomach cramps. Children under 5, pregnant women, people 65 and older, and people with weakened immune systems are more likely to have a severe illness from salmonella. Brain fog in many COVID patients can linger for months, even for some of those who were not hospitalized. A new study looked at how cognitive impairment persists in COVID-19 patients. Researchers conducted a series of cognitive tests in 740 COVID patients who had no history of dementia. Hospitalized patients were more likely to have brain fog, but nearly a quarter of those studied had persistent memory problems. 23% had trouble recalling memories. The study was published today in the journal JAMA Network Open. More items will cost you more coming up next. The latest company to announce price hikes and how much more you could be paying.